Morning traders, Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Lucy to bring you a daily market bias video for Wednesday, August 12th. It's 4:15 a.m. on the East Coast. We take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly to the downside, with all the major exchanges trading into triple-digit territory in some cases. Currently, right now in Europe, and it's current and ongoing, Europe is open and trading. All of Europe is trading to the downside, with many of the exchanges again trading into negative triple-digit territory. We will take a look at more correlation as it stands for the U.S. markets. Currencies in terms of U.S. dollars trading down, so trading down pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading higher. There is correlation between U.S. dollar and crude as it is broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher, much higher. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen the 30-year bond trade this high before. This is roughly somewhere in the area of around 51 to 52 ticks higher. And for the bonds, that's quite huge, if you will. Indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pointing to a lower open. And in fact, Dow Jones Industrial Average is pointing to a triple-digit negative loss from the very get-go. Metals in terms of gold is trading higher, much higher, and we suspect that there is a fear factor running wild out there. And now we will take a look at economic news we have in the dockets today. For the U.S. markets, we have an FOMC member speaking at 8:30 a.m., but we also have JOLTS jobs openings at 10 a.m. This is major and a proven market mover. At 10:30, we have crude oil inventories, which is typical, usual, and customary for Wednesday. And then at 1 o'clock, we have the 10-year bond auction. And lastly, at 2 p.m. this afternoon, we have the federal budget balance. All in all, our bias is to the downside. And the reason why we're suggesting this is very simple, because the bonds themselves are trading far higher than we've ever seen before. This is, again, as I mentioned, somewhere in the area around 51 to 52 ticks higher. And that does not bode well for an upside day. Additionally, gold is also trading much higher. And in fact, we're in probably fear factor territory when it comes to gold. Again, this does not bode well for an upside day. Hence, our bias is the downside. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.